Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohadur Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to correct install ELCB electric circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Energy meter, ELCB circuit breaker, single pole MCB circuit breaker. Phase connection to energy meter. Neutral connection to energy meter. Phase connection to MCB. Phase connection outgoing from MCB to connect with ELCB. Neutral connection outgoing from energy meter to connect ELCB. Phase and neutral connection outgoing from ELCB for home electrical network. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.